Welcome back. So, till last video, we have been able to successfully create three services for our Laravel application: the web, the DB, and the cache. And in this, we are going to set up our search service using Elasticsearch. Right. So, I'll first show you hub.docker. I'm going to use Elasticsearch image on the latest version. So, this one is the official repository. I'm going to use 641. Okay, so why don't we do this? Search, and I'll copy this. Okay, image name will be Elastic Search colon 6.4.1. Now, Elasticsearch works on port 9200. What I will do is I'll run this on my machine on let's say 7200. Okay, now, or rather 6200, I already have configured it. So with this done, okay, my Docker was running, so I'll just first close everything. I think I already have the image, so Docker image ls Elasticsearch, yes, latest. So I have the image, so I don't think I'll take too much time, but yeah, I will have the Elastic service running as well. So Docker compose up should build all these services, and this is, yeah, I think it is running. So what we need to do is, I have this um, tool, Elastic Search Toolbox, where what you can do is say localhost 6200. I connect. Okay, it's not able to connect. Why is that? 6200. Okay, must have been some typo. But yeah, so I don't have any index. But how do we check whether Elastic is running or not? I think there is a command which I can run to check that. So curl-x get http localhost 6200. Let's ping that. All right. So this tells me that I have, a search container running. The name of that Elastic instance is this. Okay, so cluster name is docker underscore cluster. All these things are there, which means our search service is running. Now, how do we ensure that we are able to search? So what I'm going to do is, I have a small package which I have created just for doing certain search through Elastic. It's just hold on. I'll copy the URL instead of just typing it out. So okay, sorry. So this is my package which I can use. It's a composer package. Okay, this is not running on. What's the packages URL? I'm sure I was able to get those packages in dev version. I think what I have done is, I haven't yet created a, yeah, um, tag, and I did a wrong composer require. It has a dash. Maybe I will rename it to be standard. But okay, so I have pulled the package, and now I can test whether everything is working or not. So based on this package, what I need to do is, in whatever model I am using, so let's say I have user model, right? So in this, I'll just do searchable. Okay, I'll use this trait, and that's it. So if we have any users, which we do, so what now I can do is get into the composer, sorry, the Docker container. So Docker exec t Docker underscore Laravel, it's capital, dash web, bash. I'm here. I'll do PHP artisan tinker, and I can run a command user reindex. Okay, no alive nodes found in your cluster. I think um, I have not. Oh yes, sorry. So I'll first need the configuration. So PHP artisan vendor publish. I need to publish this provider. I'll have this config file, and in this, so localhost 6200 is fine. What I will do is change this. It's a prefix, so I'll say my prefix is Laravel Docker underscore. This is my prefix, and this time I think we should be fine. User reindex, no. It says no alive connection. Oh, I know why. So this will be search, because on the network it should find this. And so if everything is right now, we should have some index. Yes, we do. So we saw some change in here in regards to the search. So if I come over here, again connect dog users, this, and yeah, we have these users. So let's say I want to search enable Smith MD, right? So I can do user search. It's a um, you know function which is available with the package. So the reindex, search, everything is available. And what I have done is hooked into the created, updated, and deleted events of the Eloquent model. So whenever you are creating any new content through Eloquent, that particular piece of content will be automatically indexed. So let's search for enable. Okay. And yes, we get. So this is how we can do basic search on our elastic instance by using this package. It's still under development. I haven't completed it, but I just wanted to give you a basic idea that yes, elastic is working, and we are able to make some basic search on our content using this package. So yeah, again, php, okay, sorry, user search. If I take anything else in here, for example, yeah, Wiki Lockman, or maybe Lockman, man, I will get these results. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.